Hey everybody, I'm back at it again with an unboxing. Yesterday, we took a look at this product here, but for some reason, the outside color and the inside color were two different colors. That didn't work out for me, so that'll be returned. So I went back and I bought an Amazon Basics Keypad Deadbolt. So we'll check it out and see how it is. Got your basics in here, installation manuals, template, which I'm not going to need. This is it. This is actually the color that I'm looking for, and it's very similar to what I use now. It's your brushed nickel on the inside, and it should be the brushed nickel on the outside. So let's open this up a little more. All right, here we go. So yep, on the outside it's the brushed nickel. So everything is a match. I don't know what I got to do with this yet. I got to figure this out. A little assembly is going to be required, but basically what we're looking for, that's just the color cover. Okay. Typically what's going to happen is this is going to slide up. Batteries are going to go in there. That's going to be electric. This is the keyed mechanism that's going to go in here. All right, that's the keyed mechanism that's going to go in there. And then when you're in the back, two screws are going to fasten this to this plate, and that's what's going to pull it against the door and weatherproof it and seal it. And then this plugs in into that other cable over here, which is going to be inside the door. You'll connect these up and then put your batteries in and program a code, and that should all be good. So not too complicated. So take this apart for now. Lay this down. There's probably programming instructions in the directions. I'm assuming this box has some stuff in it that we're going to need. Take a look. Yeah, stuff we already have, so I'm not going to have to redo. The actual deadbolt mechanism, I'll put that in new. This faceplate I already have installed. This is already installed. The keys I'll need, and this faceplate is what is going to attach this cover from the inside right on through the lock. Now I'm going to have to figure this out. I don't know whether it's upside down, right side up. Yeah, it's going to go like that. Okay, as you see it. So without reading the directions, it's pretty simple. This wire is going to go right through that opening, and then it's going to plug together, and everything's going to be happy. So that's the unboxing. I will get to the install, and I'll walk you through that process, but it actually looks pretty simple. This was manufactured on March 2nd, 2025, so it's a fresh product, and that's always good. So stay tuned while we get this together. Thanks for watching.
Per instructions, I'm gonna input a video and see it doesn't work. I'm gonna try default code 1234. If it does not work, I'm gonna try programming again. 7890. I took it supposedly, and now it doesn't work.
So I got all the way to putting this together. I just took that apart. Can't get the key out. I struggled trying to just turn it when I got that piece on the back. This is a piece of junk. Not only that, but this part of the door, they don't give you directions on how to connect it to this part. And then I think it's broke. Like, nothing is working out. I would not recommend this product. junk.